Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll show you how you can create a username for WhatsApp. So first things first, you just open WhatsApp, then go into settings. Here you can come down to account and click on username. Here just keep going, create username and just give it a new name. Make sure your username is single word and it's available. And if it's green, you can go ahead and save it. If it's not green, you will not be able to save it. There's another way you can create a username. Just go back to settings. Here on top you can see your name. Just click on that and click on reserve username. Here also you can click reserve username and just enter a random username whichever is available and click on save. Make sure it's green, then you can save it. That's it guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, do like this video and also subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more content. Thank you so much.